This video tutorial I will cover how to create a concrete map collection class using mapFactoryBean. Here I have defined the class fruit shop. It has two properties, shop name and map of available fruits, and getter and setter methods for these two properties. And it has display fruit shop info method. This is a Spring configuration file. Spring container read this Spring configuration file and it creates a fruit shop object and set the shop name of fruit shop object as fruit mart. Then Spring container creates a HashMap object using mapFactoryBean. Then Spring container adds two key value pairs in the HashMap object. First key value per key is 1 and value is apple. Second key value per key is 2 and value is grapes. Then Spring container inject HashMap object into map of available fruits property. Here I have defined the class app. Here I have created application context object by reading Spring configuration file using getBean method of application context object, getting fruit shop object from Spring container and calling display fruit shop info method. Here you can see the output. Here you can see fruit shop object shop name is set as fruit mart and map of available fruits contains two key value pairs.